It was long ago that women needed someone else to fight for them. But today I feel that each one of us is empowered and take up the cudgels for your cause. You can't always put your gun, like I said, on somebody else's shoulder and shoot. I'm really honored to be in your midst and to see that my work, my humble work which I've done silently without much show. Though I've been awarded by the Government of India and the government, so many awards I have, but today's felicitations is a culmination of my struggle. That's what I feel.
The rural woman is suffering for so much with all Rudi Paramparas like widow discrimination and disrobing, not only women, even man. Disrobing order has been issued long back, but the implementation of this order is too far, I think. Social reformation takes place very slowly, with the speed of crocodile, with the speed of tortoise maybe, not even tortoise, maybe the speed of snail. But this change can be accelerated with the better implementation of laws. And these laws are our strong, shastra, like we can use, the social reformers can use the law as the strong support for our opinion, what we can put up in front of villages. Disrobing and widow discrimination at the time of death of her husband and for the long term till her death. For both the discriminations we stand, I think the law should come fast so that this discrimination stops, because we respect the girl, the lady with the husband so much, and we disrespect the lady without husband so much. So the existence of husband is the only criteria for the respect of woman. We are living in the 21st century and we see existence of husband as the respect criteria for woman. I think this we should, somewhere it has to stop. So I appeal all the lawyers, advocates present here to please implement this law and do the justice to one and all.
If you see, ma'am, most of the cases booked are under section 7 and 8 is against the victim and not against the client or the trafficker. What we have been trying to do is that trying to see in collaboration with the state to see that the traffickers are prosecuted. Since I'm a student of criminology, also believe only prosecution is not enough. We need to reform them also. And at the same time, what we have been also doing is that helping the state in rescue of the girls, and along with the rescue, ensuring that they don't get re-trafficked. And the reason for re-trafficking is that they don't have livelihood option. They don't have proper rehabilitation counseling. They require psychiatric help. They require help in de-addiction. They require protection from the trafficker, because in the end of the day, they are the commodity in the market of the sex market. And if the children and women are not there, this market will collapse. This is simple economics. This market exists because there is a demand of children and women, and children and women are used as commodity. So that's what we have been trying to do. The journey has not been easy. Not easy because it's organized crime. Journey has not been easy because the law enforcement agency doesn't understand the law properly. There exist various kinds of misconception. There is corruption. Okay, and most importantly, there is hardly any services for these victims. We have set up livelihood program, as in the introduction we said. We have formed a group of survivors. It is called WISH, wherein now we have livelihood program in North Goa as well as South Goa, trying to reach out to victims who want to exit.
We talk about the Fadu. And why do we talk about the Fadu in Goa? Because it's been living here for over a century. It might be in a foreign language, doesn't matter. But it's been living here and therefore it's loved by the people in Goa, so we need to protect it further. Any custom that is more than 100 years, we all know it's standing in law. So an art form that has lived here for more than 100 years becomes ours. But there's another art form that I also want to bring your focus on, and that is the Mando. The Mando is also as old as the Fado. When the Fado was being developed in Portugal, the Mando was being developed here in Goa. Now, what is so unique about the Mando? It is a folk form from Goa, so therefore Indian. It is in Konkani, so therefore Indian, but it's based on Western music. Usually a folk form is in the local language, local music, local culture. But Mando is in Western music, not Indian music. But it is Goan, it's Indian, it's Konkani. And that is what makes Mando so unique. Fado has been recognized by UNESCO as Intangible Heritage of Humanity in 2011. I hope Mando will follow soon.